The 2014 Legacy. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power mirrors, 4-wheel independent suspension, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, speed control, outside temperature gauge, 4-wheel disc brakes, anti-roll bars. Inside you'll find steering wheel audio controls, security system, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, power steering, cloth upholstery, driver vanity mirror, dual front airbags, telescopic steering wheel. The Subaru Legacy offers a roomy interior and a dynamic drive you feel every second you're in the driver's seat. It's a refreshing alternative to the alternatives. Come see the car for yourself.